Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss how to create dashboards and how to make them interactive. So basically dashboards are nothing but a collection of worksheets. So what all data visualizations we have created in our worksheets, like may it be the maps which we have created, or may it be the various bar charts created in the worksheets, or may it be some trend lines created. So all the visualizations we have created in separate worksheets of the same Tableau workbook, we can all combine them together on a single board, and that board is known as a dashboard. So dashboard is basically nothing but a collection of all the visualizations we have created across the sheets in the Tableau workbook. We place them together in front of our end users, and that is known as dashboards. Now we can make these dashboards interactive by adding a few dimensions or measures as filters over here, and based on those filters, the visualization over here for each of the worksheet can be changed. So if we go by the definition, so an interactive dashboard is a data management tool. People also term it as tool actually, and it helps them track, analyze, and monitor various business matrices. Like they can, the business owners can track the productivity of their employees. They can, if they are manufacturing plant owner, they can track the storage of their inventories. Like in a car company, the inventory can be steel, tires, rubbers, glasses. So using this dashboards, they can keep track of all these inventories. This is like having an inventory management system. So we can also create an interactive dashboard for the inventory management systems. Then we use the dashboard basically for three purposes. One is strategic purpose, another is tactical, and another is operational. So I would give you a brief intro of each of these. In terms of strategic, if there is a company which is managing its employees, and they have predicted the attrition of employees. Now if they have to manage the attrition, like how many people are coming, how many are going, how many are absent, how many are present, they can all manage it using a dashboard, and that such a dashboard is called strategic dashboard. Then you have tactical dashboards. Now if using dashboard, you are able to predict that what will be the sales forecast, or what would be the incoming volumes of work with you, and based on that, if you can align your workforce shifts, that is known as a tactical use of the dashboard. And then there is operational use. Supposedly there is a manufacturing plant, and they would like to know that what kind of inventory they have to maintain of each raw material for having a smooth production for the next 6 years, or maybe next 6 months. So that is known as a strategy, operational use of the dashboard. So I think I've given you enough idea of what a dashboard is all about. Now let me take you to my Tableau workbook where I have created this dashboard. So this dashboard is basically representing the business stats of a superstore data set, which is which is a departmental store in the US market. And this dashboard of mine is showing the running sales of various category of products sold by this departmental store in the last 4 years, and state-wise what have been the sales is shown over here. Then if we would like to see the region-wise profits, we can see over here. And if we would like to see the subcategory wise share in the sales, we can see that as well. So this is a decent looking dashboard I have created using the various sheets I had made, the various visualizations I had made using the super store data set. And if I would like to export this instance visualization, this at this moment how the screen is looking like, if I want to give it a print, if I have to export it in the form of a PDF, I've got this option, so I can do that as well. If I would like to filter all these visualizations based on category, so I can do that as well. So over here, if I would like to see all these matrices corresponding to the technology category, I can do that. So over here you can see the my running sales, my subcategory wise sales, my profit, my sales across the states, all have been changed based on the category change, the category filter I have made. So that was just an idea of how our dashboard looks like. Now I'll press escape, come out of this presentation mode, and this is the dashboard I have created. I'll tell you how to create a dashboard from scratch. So first of all, again, let me show you the data source I have. So basically the data source I have is the Superstore dataset, which we have been using in all our training videos till now. So as you guys are aware, this data source basically consists of all the sales done by this Superstore in the United States. Now over here are some visualizations I have. Over here I have tried to plot region wise profit. Here we have tried to plot the table calculations, we have tried to plot the sales across years, and this is their contribution in the sales in terms of percentage, and this is the value. Over here we are state wise telling that how much is the sales coming from which state. The lighter the color, the lesser the sale. The darker the color, the higher the sales. So California is giving me highest sales, and the states like Mississippi and Georgia are giving me minimal sales. Then year-wise cumulative sales, if I have to say, I have that right now. Since in the dashboard I had done single category, it is showing me for single category. I'll do it all. So when I come over here, I get it for all of them. So over here I have created a area line plot, like area chart, and I have tried to plot the sales over last 4 years, and then I have tried to plot the category and subcategory wise sales across the last 4 years, and their contribution in the total sales of the last 4 years. Sorry, and this is the dashboard I have. So now let me create a new dashboard for you people. So this is the symbol just after the new worksheet symbol. This is the symbol using which you can add a new dashboard. So I'll click over here. So I have this dashboard window. I can also create a new dashboard from here, dashboard and new dashboard. So again, I'll get the same screen over here. Now I have to add some visualizations over here. So when I place this, when I drag and drop this worksheet over here, so you will see that it has automatically appeared, but you will see that it's appearing in a small size, because over here I have selected this floating, but by default when you will create a dashboard, it will be coming as tiled for you. So let me remove it again and tell you what the difference is. When over here the dashboard selection option is tiled, so whenever you drag and drop a worksheet from here on the dashboard, the worksheet will take your entire visualization space. So it has taken my entire visualization space. Now when I'll try to add the visualization, when I'll try to drag and drop the second worksheet date visualization over here, then the second worksheet graph will take 50% of the entire view. This is how it'll look. And when I'll try to move the third graph over here on this dashboard pan of mine, it will equally divide the entire available space into 3 equal parts, and this way it has done. Similarly, if I place the fourth one, it will automatically divide the entire dashboard pan into 4 equal parts and adjust this sports visualization. But I would not like to do this. I would like to adjust these based on the available space I have, or based on what I prefer should be the measures. So that's why I select floating over here, and then when I drag and drop the graphs over here, the worksheet graphs over here, then they appear in standard format. Now I can place them wherever I want. By default, whenever we'll bring a graph over here, their corresponding legends will also appear. Now it's on us whether we want to keep it or not. Since over here I have already mentioned all the bubbles with labels, so I can remove this. Now I'll be placing my state-wise sales over here. So again, I can place these sales over here, and along with the sales I've got this legend as well, but over here I would like to keep the legend, because in the states over here I have not explicitly mentioned the sales everywhere. So let me keep this legend over here. So I am trying to adjust it as per my need. Now I would not be willing to have this title, so I can straight away go over here and say just unselect the title, so the title gets removed. Now I would like to place this legend of mine on the map itself, so I have placed it over here. Now next I would like to bring the year wise sales, cumulative year wise sales. So I bought it. Now I can change its shape and adjust it according to my need on the dashboard. I'm doing that. This is how it's looking. Now I would like to keep these legends as well, so I'm keeping them. One thing you'll notice over here, even using the legends, we can filter these graphs. So when I click on office supplies, only the office supplies value will be visible to me. When I click on technology, technology will be visible to me. And when I click on furniture, then the data of the cumulative sales related to furniture will be visible to me. Right now I'll click once more and I would like to view them all.